St. Maarten is home to one of the most iconic airport approaches in the world. Princess Juliana International Airport sits just steps from Maho Beach, where aircraft descend dramatically over the Caribbean waters. And even with clouds overhead and light rain falling, the energy here does not fade. For cruise travelers docking in Philipsburg, St. Maarten offers a little bit of everything: beaches, shopping, Dutch charm, and unforgettable moments like this. Standing on the shoreline at Maho, you hear the engines before you see the aircraft. The crowd shifts, phones come out, and everyone is looking toward the sky. And this is exactly why Maho Beach has become such a signature stop here in St. Maarten. For cruise travelers, this island offers range. You can stay near Philipsburg and enjoy Great Bay, explore Front Street for shopping, or take a quick taxi to beaches like this one. St. Maarten blends Dutch heritage, Caribbean rhythm, and easy accessibility, which is why so many cruisers rank it as a favorite port of call. It's relaxed, but it's also dynamic, and just when you settle into the atmosphere, another aircraft moves into position on the runway. The engines begin to build. The runway clears. Jet blast pushes across the beach, and then it starts to move. Friends, welcome to Maho Beach.